John here. Ever feel like your kitchen is one loose screw away from falling apart? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today we are tackling 5 common kitchen repairs you can totally DIY, all with the power of some trusty tools. So get your tool belt ready because it's time to transform your kitchen mess into a cooking success. Loose cabinet hinges. Nothing says beginner level like a cabinet door flapping in the breeze. But fear not, friends. A simple screwdriver and a steady hand are all you need to bring those doors back into line. Just remember, don't over tighten or you'll be saying goodbye to those hinges altogether. Leaky faucet. A leaky faucet isn't just annoying, it's a waste of precious water. But don't call the plumber just yet. Grab your trusty wrench and some replacement washers, and you'll be silencing that drip like a pro. Tip: turn off the water supply before you start. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Wobbly countertop. Feeling like your countertop is doing the salsa every time you chop carrots? Don't forget, a screw gun and some L brackets will have that counter rock solid in no time. Just make sure you're screwing into the wall studs for maximum support. Cracked tiles. Did your cooking creation make a mess on your floor? Don't worry, some tile glue and matching grout can fix that crack, making it seem like it never happened. Just be patient and keep in mind that practice helps improve, except when you are dealing with glitter grout that's a bit unpredictable. Stuck garbage disposal. Is your garbage disposal throwing a tantrum? Don't reach for the chemical drain cleaner just yet. A trusty plunger and some hot water can often work wonder. Just remember, patience is the key when dealing with grumpy disposal. So there you have it, drill nerds. 5 common kitchen repairs you can tackle with a little know-how and the right tools. Remember, the power to fix lies within your reach and your toolbox. Now go and tackle that kitchen mess, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.